Let's go to Home Depot. Need it to go through 3 boards, so I think these 6-inchers will work. See if this 5-incher will go through all 3 boards. That leaves about that much. So we're back from Home Depot, and we need to get all these boards cut up like we need them. You can see from the plans, we're gonna need 9 total of those and 3 of these 14 inches. So that's 9 20 inchers and 3 14 inchers. Whew, so we got that part done. All this is new now. We got it all new with the hardware. Got all this is treated lumber. So there it is. The next thing you do is take it back there and put it where it goes. So let's go get that ready. Okay, so we're back here where I'm going to put this bench. In between that big tree right there and that tree right there along the creek. We'd already talked about cleaning the creek up, at least on this side, to where it's, you know, it's something nice to look at while you sit down here and read a book. So not going to get anything done sitting here talking about it, so let's get to work. Well, that was a handful, but I did manage to get it all the way down here by myself. Slow and steady wins the race, right? But anyway, check it out. So now you can sit here and relax and watch the creek. Or listen to it rather. Read you a book. Just come down here and get away from the hustle and bustle. We're gonna call that a video, guys. We got a lot done in this one and a whole lot more to come. As you know, the plans, we're still going to fix that fire pit area, which is gonna cost the most. What I think I'm going to do on the next video is fix the stairs coming down here. And I'm going to throw out some more mulch, make walking paths with the mulch because it's free. And we'll do little improvements until it's done. So thanks for coming by, guys. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, give me your ideas. And we will catch you guys on the next video.